So before we get started on our first trip, I wanted to talk with you a little bit about eating food while you are traveling on the road. So the previous camper that we had was about 25 feet to the hitch. And with our truck, we were able to most times pull it into fast food restaurants, not go through the drive-through, of course, but be able to find a couple of parking spots to be able to stretch the rig out with the camper and park there while we ran inside to get some food and then be able to take that out and eat it on the road. With our new camper, we're about 37 feet to the hitch, and there may be some places that's just not possible. So what we're going to try this year is to eat as much of our own food that we've packed on the road for our lunches and dinners as much as possible. So the refrigerator that we have in our camper is a residential style refrigerator, and it's split down the middle, having both left and right doors for both the refrigerator area and the freezer area. And we are fortunate that the design of this camper, when the kitchen side slide comes in and meets up against the center island, that we are still able to open up the right-hand side of both the refrigerator and the freezer to access our food. So I am able to, while we are on the road, be able to come in here and open up this side of it and grab any food to eat. So when I'm packing our refrigerator for our trip, I always make sure that anything that we want to eat, like stop for lunch or a supper while we are traveling, that I'm putting that on the right-hand side of my refrigerator so I can easily get to it. And having it there also allows me to just quickly grab it so that I'm not leaving this door open when we are traveling on the road, because at that point our refrigerator is running off of battery power to keep it cool, and the same for the freezer. So what I like to do is just use a plastic bin and stick all of my contents that I need for making our sandwiches or whatever into that bin, place it on the right-hand side of the refrigerator, and then I can open up that door when the slide is in and be able to get to everything that I need quickly to make our sandwiches for the road.